Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to get the middle lift at Uptown with ease. So, in order for this trick to work, all you've got to do is, you see this Dewhurst button, you click it, and you don't click anything else. Just the Dewhurst button. That will make sure the little middle lift will come. So, you click the Dewhurst button, nothing else. You don't click any of these buttons. And that's how you get the middle lift to come. You see it's here already. This lift is the only lift that takes you to target. So, and yes, I am talking in my video if you're wondering why.